Looking for compact and reliable portable air compressors? Meet the CPS 7500 and 9000. Built for Europe, powered for challenges. Compact and dependable, these portable air compressors are designed for demanding jobs. From construction to utilities, these new units are ready to power your projects with unmatched reliability. And with our full range of handheld tools, engineered for performance and durability, you can complete your setup with confidence. This range reflects our commitment to being your reliable, easy-to-work-with partner. No task is challenging enough for the CPS 7500 and 9000. Your partner that gets the job done.